Good afternoon, block two. I'm gone today, as you figured out. You are still going to take the part A of the final test. Before you take part A, you are going to watch this video, which obviously you're doing right now. And I'm going to explain and go over the questions in the test so that you are clear on what you need to do. Uh, Final A, or ignore that text message, please. Part A of the final test is probably going to be quick. I think there's only 10 questions. You do not need to show any work, but you probably should have a piece of scratch paper out and a pencil so you can jot things down. I don't need you to turn in your scratch work, but I do need you when you're all done. If you used a note card on the test with your cheat sheet ideas, I need you to turn that note card into your box when you're done with the test. I will give it back to you on Thursday for part B of the final test. So again, part A of the final test, it looks like this. It's not open yet for you, but I can open it. It says Chapter 1 Final Test, Part A. When you get to class, you will see that. And the questions are as follows. I'm going to go through them quickly so that you have an idea of what you need to do. And then once you're done with this video, you will go and do the test. Now, the questions are not in this order. On your test, they're going to be in a different order. So bear with me and just pay attention to the questions, and it should make sense when you get to it. Number one is a multiple choice, self-explanatory. Number two says write an integer to represent each situation. Do not use labels, so you do not need to use points or feet or anything else. All I want is the integer. So this is one of those rare situations which I'm telling you not to use labels. So please, only the integer. Number three, find the absolute value. Again, only the integer or number or variable. Number four, write the opposite of these integers. Again, no labels. Number five, you're finding distances between the numbers, or in this case, the integers given to you. Number six, four is the answer to the absolute value of which two choices. Notice it says two choices. Number seven, compare each pair of integers using symbols for greater than or less than. So you need to use the greater than symbol or the less than symbol on your iPad to tell me which is which. Number eight, you are going to move these so that they're in order from least to greatest. You would just move them using the arrows. Let's see here, number nine. No, I can't take it to number. There's number nine. You have a word problem. So read the word problem, and then the last part here of the first part says, how would you write that number expression? Don't include any spaces. So you're going to read through this, and then you're going to write me a number expression of how you would put that in a number sentence. No spaces. The second part says, did the person end up in front of their starting position or behind their starting position? Use the word front or behind for your answer. So after you write the word problem, after you write the number sentence, you're going to figure out if they were in front or behind their starting position, and write front or behind for the second blank. Number 10 is simply multiplying the integers given to you and filling in the blank. Pay attention to the positives and the negatives. Good luck on the tests. When you are all done, you can work on weekly math, you can work on in-class IXLs, or you can continue studying for part B of the test. Also, remember, again, just a reminder that when you're done, I need your cheat sheet or your note card turned into your box, and I will give them back to you on Thursday for part 2 of the test. Good luck, do well, and I will see you all tomorrow.